the second.
Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Grace Jones's 1981 hit Pull Up to the Bumper has been ranked number 82 on Billboard magazine's list of the 100 best dance songs of all time. The track from her album Nightclubbing blends electro disco, post-punk and disco pop styles. It became a global hit, charting in countries like Australia and Spain as well as New Zealand, initially reaching number 53 in the UK, then climbed to number 12 after a re-release in 1986. In the US, the song peaked at number 5 on the R&B singles chart and held the number 2 spot for 7 weeks on the Hot Dance Music Club play chart. The Jamaican Women in Theatre Festival to honor stalwarts in the industry. This Thursday on World Theatre Day, theatre stalwarts Dr. Barbara Gludon, Barbara Requa and Olive Lewin will be honored by the Jamaica Women in Theatre Festival for their significant contributions to national development. Now, the festival, which is currently on at the Little Theatre in Kingston, highlights the work of Jamaican women in theatre, including playwrights, directors, and actors. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.